So hey guys, welcome back. This video is about lifespans of different animal. Hamster lives around 3 years. Mouse with 2 years. Rat about 3 years. Deer has about 20 years of lifespan. Wolf lives around 40 years. Fox has 9 years. Guys, bears lives around 25 years depending upon their species. Otter has 15 years of lifespan. Hey, which insect has the longest lifespan? Ant, bee, fly, or none of the above? You can check your answer. Your time starts now. Yeah, the correct answer is bee. Walrus lives around 40 years. Dolphin lives around 40 years. Guys, whale has the longest lifespan among the fish, which has around 90 years. Shark has the lowest lifespan, that is 30 years, among most of the fishes. Squid lives around 2 years. Red crab lives around 8 years, while some lives around 5 years. Lobster lives around 50 years in water. Jellyfish around 5 years. Hey, lifespan of whale is of how many years? As we discussed earlier, 50 years, 19 years, 90 years or 70 years? Yes, the correct answer is 70 years. Turtle is the highest living species with 80 years of lifespan. Ant lives around 9 months to 1 year. Iguana with 20 years of lifespan. Bee lives around 5 years. I hope so you video enjoy up. Hey, now answer the final question which I will discuss with you right now. Find the odd one out. Iguana, ant, bee or butterfly? Yeah, the correct answer is